Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to set up Vultr. Firstly, visit vultr.com and sign up for a new account or login if you already have one. Go to your account settings, add a payment method, then click on the plus deploy server or deploy instance button. You'll need to configure the following. Server type, like cloud compute for general use or high performance. Pick a region closest to your target audience. Choose OS. Popular choices like Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS, Windows, etc. Choose based on CPU, RAM, and storage needs. Automatically run scripts when the server starts and pass your public SSH key for secure, passwordless access. Then name your server for easier management. When you're done, click Deploy Now, and Vultr will spin up your server. This typically takes 1 to 2 minutes. After deployment, go to Products, your instance, then click on the server to get its IP address, username and password. To connect, use this command and set up a firewall and install any necessary software. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.